I don't understand how everybody doesn't own a bidet. The first time I saw one was in France. It was one of those bidets that sits next to the toilet, and I had absolutely no idea what it was. Then the next time I saw a bidet, I was in Japan. I just landed at the airport and I went to the bathroom and there was one of the automated toilets. As soon as I got home, I ordered one of those bidet toilet seat lids. They're not really expensive. You see them on online ads. It's pretty much just a toilet seat that sprays at you. It's not anything like this. All right, now I'm ready to start the day. Let's head up to my studio. Well, if it wasn't clear by now, I am in love with this thing. With the HOROW X70 Smart Toilet, I've gotten to the point where even if it's not the closest toilet in my house, it's not the number 2, it's the number 1. This thing really bowls me over. It sounds weird when I say let me go over all of the features because it probably doesn't seem like a toilet can have a lot of features, but this one has so many it's hard to handle them all. It's got a heated seat, so sitting down in a cold bathroom at 2 a.m. is no longer a problem. There's a pump built into the tank so that the flush pressure doesn't depend on whatever your house water pressure is. It washes and it dries you, so toilet paper becomes, alright, not optional instead of required, but you definitely don't need as much. The lid opens when you walk up to it, and then it closes in order to flush, and that is very important, and I will tell you why in a minute. There's a sensor on the thing that reads the room temperature, and it sets the seat warm for water temperature and the dryer heat automatically. But you can also override all those settings. And it can lay down a layer of foam before you use it, so nothing sticks, which means a lot less cleaning. And anyone who's cleaned a toilet knows it's a crappy job. Now let me give you more details. The X70 has a built-in tank and a 100-watt pump so that the flush doesn't depend on whatever your house water pressure happens to be for that day. A lot of older homes, like my Victorian home, have really weak water pressure on the 2nd or 3rd floor. Flushes are traditionally pretty weak, and an incomplete flush is basically no flush at all. This one has its own pump pushing the water so it's the right pressure to get rid of, you know, everything. And thanks to the pump, it's quiet.